my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Kisho. Kisho holders, keep watch this video till the end, friends, because this video is very important for all of you. Must watch holders this video, friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so I request all of you, all of my viewers at this time, those people who listen my voice, please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. I know you listen my voice and you subscribe my channel. That is why thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel, friends. Let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. So friends, the current price of the Kisho is very low, as you know, but on the other side, if you look the price hint as going positive, so absolutely I think it's a good time to invest in a Kisho, friends. Let me show you, friends, the price is 0.0000001 USD dollar, friends. I can't count the number of zero, but after a bundle of zero there is a one. That is the current price of the Shibano token, friends. Absolutely the price is very low, so I suggest for everyone to invest in the Shibano and Kisho token, friends. Now on the other side, as you can see here, the price is going positive hour by hour, and 13.89% the prices goes upward. So very soon they are also going to hit a 1 USD dollar in the last half 2021, or in the mid of 2022 they are going to hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. So now it's a perfect time to buy Kisho, friends. Anyways, the previous time changes occur in the Kisho is going negative, but the last 1 hour now the current condition of the Kisho is going better. So I hope this kind of change will continue in the Kisho for a long time, friends. Now the last 1 hour pricing is positive, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is going negative. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. Oh my god, absolutely I'm very happy today. That's a crash, that's absolutely crazy jump of the Kisho. As you can see here, now in the last half this hour the every cryptocurrencies is going positive, and that is the crazy move of every cryptocurrencies market. Now this time the Cardano, Dogecoin, VeChain, XRP Reaper coin and Shibano token, and same like that the Kisho is also the last 1 hour pricing as positive. Every coin and the last 1 hour pricing is positive. That's what's going this time in the market, I don't know, but now I'm very happy because I'm holding 25 plus coins, and I'm very happy my whole coin is going positive, and I'm in a very highly profit. So I'm very happy today. How do you feel about Kisho? Please tell me in the comment box. And what's your prediction for a Kisho? My prediction is that the Kisho will going to hit a 1 USD dollar in the mid of 2022. What's your opinion? If you agree with me, kindly like this video and click the subscribe button, friends. Now the price is okay in the 24 hours, so now the pricing is still negative, but I hope with the passage of time the pricing will become positive, friends. And the highest price is same 0.000001 USD dollar is the highest price of the Kisho in the last 1 day and the 24 hour, friends. So hope you like this video, and please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos.